What's going on, guys? Very interesting new article in which a very credible person says that AI will be able to fully automate Shopify within the next 2 years. So this is Mustafa Suleyman. He is a co-founder of DeepMind. DeepMind is one of the biggest and best AI companies in the world. And the way to actually test if AI is at the level of humans is to build an e-commerce, is to tell it to build an e-commerce store, like e-commerce store, and give it, for example, $100,000, and tell it to turn that into $1 million to research products, to do advertising, to do everything, you know. But I'm thinking, like, if it can do 100,000 to 1 million, why can't it just research from like $0 or $100? So this is a very interesting thought that I came across, and he says that this will be possible in the next 2 years. So in the next 2 years, you're gonna say, okay, look, research products, do advertising, build up the store, and make me money. And that's it. Fully automated AI Shopify e-commerce. This is like very interesting. So I think if you're a beginner, you should like just, even if you don't know anything, you should just slowly learn, and the opportunities will arise. And in the next 2 years, like, you're gonna know so much about AI, about automation tools. So don't give up, just keep learning. Also, if you want to check my 45 AI automation ideas, businesses you can start with AI, it's in the description below. Click the link and go and get the PDF. Thank you for watching.